In 15 minutes, you'll have juicy chicken, fluffy rice, and that sweet savory teriyaki flavor everyone loves. Cut chicken breast into bite-sized cubes. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken breast and salt. Salt restructures proteins and helps the chicken retain moisture. Then add the white pepper. It enhances the aroma. Soy sauce. It adds umami and helps with browning. Cornstarch slurry. It adds a protective layer so the chicken stays juicy. Mix until evenly coated. Lastly, add oil. It seals in the marinade and prevents sticking during stir frying. Marinate the chicken while working on the other ingredients. Let's make our teriyaki sauce. Combine soy sauce. It adds salty umami. Sake. It adds aroma and makes the sauce taste smoother. Mirin. It adds gentle sweetness and shine. Sugar. It adds sweetness and balances saltiness. Do you like your teriyaki sauce sweeter or more savory? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Cut onion, scallions, and garlic. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and lightly beat them. You can either use fresh steamed rice or overnight rice. For a softer texture, use fresh steamed rice. Use a 1:1 rice to water ratio. Slightly less water than usual. Cook using the rice setting. Once done, spread the rice on a plate to cool and let it air dry for at least 15 minutes. For slightly chewier rice with separated grains, use overnight rice. Growing up, my family always had leftover rice in the fridge, so this is my go-to. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, peanut, or grapeseed oil. Add the marinated chicken. Stir fry for about 3 minutes until fully cooked. Add the minced garlic and toss briefly. Remove from the wok. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion, carrot. Stir fry for about 30 seconds until aromatic. Remove. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the beaten eggs and scramble until partially cooked. Add the rice and stir fry until each grain is separated, about 2 minutes. To get the smoky wok hay, keep the heat on high the entire time. Return the chicken, vegetables, and teriyaki sauce. Mix well. Lastly, add the scallions and give everything a final toss. And that's it! Fluffy rice with each grain perfectly separated. Tender chicken coated in savory sweet teriyaki sauce. For a perfect meal, pair with my egg drop soup. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian dishes you can make in 30 minutes or less. If you want even more tasty recipes, check out my cookbook in the description. Thank you so much for watching.